Hello, my friends, both men and women. Have a good day, everyone. Today I'm making creamy lemon cake for you, a must-have in Italian pastry, simple to make and uniquely delicious. Let's make it together. The first thing to do is to prepare the lemon cream. Let's pour the milk into a small saucepan. And we let it warm up gently. In another small saucepan, we put the egg yolks and sugar and start mixing. We add the zest of half a lemon and a bit of lemon juice. Let's mix again. And let's add the cornstarch. Let's pour in the hot milk and mix it in. Let's put it back on the stove and stirring constantly, bring it to a boil. After 2 to 3 minutes, the cream thickens. Let's whisk a bit more, making the white foam on the surface disappear, just like this. And here you can see how beautiful it is. Our cream is ready. Let's turn it off. And let's let it cool down. The cream has cooled down a bit. Let's transfer it into a bowl. Let's cover it with plastic. And let's set it aside. Put the eggs in a bowl, the sugar, and a pinch of salt. Let's start whisking. To the eggs, we add the zest of the other half lemon and the lemon juice, and then the milk. Let's mix a little more. And now it's time to add the flour with the instant baking powder for desserts, which I put into the flour. And I start sifting and incorporating the dry ingredients. With the mixer off, I let the first batch of flour incorporate. I add a bit more flour. And we mix. To the dough, we add cooled melted butter and keep mixing. And here it is. The dough is ready. Smooth, soft, and silky. I've lined a 26-centimeter cake pan and now I'm pouring the dough inside. The cream has cooled down, but before putting it into the piping bag, I add a few drops of limoncello. This will add a little extra aroma, but it's optional. If you want, you can add it. Otherwise, it's fine as it is. I add just a little bit because it gives more aroma and more flavor. Here we go. With the whisk, I mix the cream again and bring it back to a soft consistency. Here our cream is soft and silky, and I'm putting it into the piping bag. Let's cut the tip of the piping bag, and we form a spiral with the cream. After that, the oven calls. Let's go put it in the oven. The cake is out of the oven. I baked it at 175 degrees for 35 minutes. Convection oven. If you have a conventional oven, increase the temperature by a few degrees. Then, as I always say, everyone knows their own oven. Do the toothpick test and everything will be fine. Now all that's left is to let it cool down well and then enjoy it. And to finish, a dusting of powdered sugar that can't be missed. Oh my, oh, and now all that's left is to taste it. What is this? Oh my. Friends, this cake is truly a showstopper. Beautiful to look at and above all, delicious to eat. My advice to you is to try it right away and then let me know what you think. So dear friends, with this sweet taste, I say goodbye and I'll see you at the next recipe. As I always say, sending a hug, goodbye, and thanks to everyone from Aunt Franca.